Applebee's. I don't know how I can be welcome back when I haven't been here.
How are we doing this evening? Good day.
Are you filming me?
And some of the dishes look like from this house. I think mine are, the numbers are bigger, you know, than some of the other people. Some of them have them smaller, you know, instead of bigger. Instead of a huge number.
Clock.
But you were throwing those skills to a deer the other day.
Me?
Yeah, I saw them in there.
I don't remember.
Well, you were throwing them to the deers.
Maybe they wanted to be.
It wasn't, I don't remember being thrown to the deer.
Hi, Harley. Harley. Hello. Barns are full of cars and like antique stuff. American pickers would like love. There's even more barns right there. It's crazy. Dorney Park.
They do before they become president. You're going to be seeing that. Either July or August. It's crazy.
Tiana and Donald Trump.
On the side of the road. John, we see the one with it popped up. John goes, I want to take a stick and poke it. You're wrong. It's a red squirrel.
It's a red squirrel.
That's a great fox.
That's a cottontail rabbit. Oh boy, right here.
A pheasant?
No, that snake though. Dude, I seriously hope not. Beavers.
They're continental rabbits?
Cottontail. Yes, they're continental rabbits. A black duck. Ooh, bears. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need my picture taken with that thing. Seriously. Oh, I like this one the best. Right here. I also like that. That looks like a cat. That just looks like it's just like a regular cat. American bison. Possum. Oh, yeah, what are these things? We saw one of those. Yeah, what are these things? That's exactly what we saw.
What?
Those things. We don't see beavers.
I don't know. Beavers say got wood.
I know. They're gonna eat. Let me see them. You might see them. There's D. Bushkill Falls. Right underneath some waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Can stick to the river?
What? She actually knew it. Whoa, my God. Whoa. Whoa. Up the steps. Over the river and through the woods.
What is it? Oh, it's a caterpillar.
I think that's what.
His name's Alvin. He's a chipmunk. I don't know if you can see him.
Poor baby quail.
Scorpion.
Mama quail would sit on the top of the roof.
There he is, right there. Right in the middle. Hi, chipmunk. Bigger than Niagara Falls. So big. I've been there. Yeah. Oh, Canada. My home and finish it.
Canada.
No, it's native land.
There's three rocks right here.
Absolutely beautiful.
No, everybody's back has to be turned.
You crazy ass, get out of there. Dang it. My dude, get out of there.
Cool because there's people in the water and they drink that.
I thought that's what we were doing it.
What? I know. I remember we were came down and looked at these.
They should just follow the trail. Fall. What were we doing before we knew that they were down here?
Dropping rocks like this. Like this.
We might have hit them. I hope we kind of did, because you're not supposed to be swimming in here. I'm going to head down here, so if the camera's a little shaky, I apologize. But I'm doing what needs to be done. 26 subscribers and counting. Y'all are amazing. 2020.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm filming their craziness. I'm going to show it to the state police. Please fall. Please fall. Please fall. Please fall.
No, I wouldn't even do that.
Please fall. Get them on camera. Please fall. Please fall.
Yeah, it's finally.
Nope, they're not. Here's Jonathan with his professional rock throwing. And take two.
Oh, I got two of them. That was two good tosses.
What is Alyssa doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Adventure Alyssa. Alyssa is crazy.
Yeah, I got this.
No, don't do it. No, don't do it.
Oh, and we need a big rock.
BCW. Rogerson. He's crazy. Did you crush the...
No, I didn't. Wait, where is he? I don't know.
He's in the water.
Where?
He's glowing.
Oh.
Breaking the rules.
Yeah. No, we're not.
We're breaking the rules. Alright, no more swimming. What was your
It was
experience?
fun. You should have went.
I shouldn't have. Because then my new Philly shorts would have got drenched. And I don't like
Dad, wait, can you
being
carry me to the bed?
wet.
Please? Oh my gosh. Hey, guess what? Oh, cool. Here. What are you doing? You're holding it? There's another one. Oh my god. You hold him? No. He's super cool. The tree? The bottom of it.
I'll fall.
Yeah, let me get you glasses. Just go in. Ryan said
Same waterfall in the last one. We were all the way on there to the right. Wow. We had to climb up like 90 flights of stairs. There are a lot of stairs here. Oh my gosh, it's good.
You know how bad that hurts. That'll hurt so bad.
We were all the way down there.
Over the many years, you just don't think about it.
At least we know now that Patrice is related to you. Possibly your daughter.
so. Teresa's his daughter?
Patrice's daughter's
Wait, wasn't it your girlfriend though? I thought it was his girlfriend.
silly. Got a daughter right there.
She was a floozy anyways. She really was that girl.
Wait, what if Alyssa's Teresa D?
I tried to get her out of the 50 years ago.
I thought she was P. That's funny. Wait, I'm not even listening. I thought she was P.
A Teresa meme, as explained by Dieta.
What are you doing?
I thought she was pee.
Stations that go but they're fun. Yeah, we were going to Dixie. I said we need to look for some new balls.
Hey, he works for Cox, so it's alright.
And then Shannon couldn't find
Why are we talking about the beavers like in Wood before?
Yeah, wood.
Beavers like Wood? I don't know. Best job ever.
It's
Wait.
very hands-on.
No, I'm not.
I mean, hands-on.
I work for
isn't it?
Cox Cable.
He works
Cox
from home
cable.
with Cox.
Yeah, he wants to work at Cox, but he can't.
Cox Cable. Cox Cable.
Well, I never heard of
Yeah,
that.
you want
It's, yeah, it's like third in the nation, largest company.
that. Do you want to work at Dick's?
It's not local.
He works
I
at
let you know. What? It's not my fault he works at Cox. It's P, guys. P.
Here, watch out, D.
Come over here. Like it's gonna go between the houses, I think, or the buildings or something. I don't know where it went,
No, hold up.
but I know it went that way.
Where'd he go?
Guys, up there!
Oh! Dude, he's gonna come down the hill. He's gonna gain so much speed.
Watch that. He's a nut. Hot rod nut.
Run into me, dude. Just slam the gas. I think the seat is falling. You need a push? No, I got this.
Seriously? What? Those are nice pants. Are you stupid? How much are those pants? How much do those pants cost?
Boom, boom.
The wood is like.
I couldn't get up the driveway. No. It's already done.
No, I swear, if she drifts, she's done.
She'll fall.
No, she's like done with driving it. Cause if she drifts with it, she's gonna.
Holy. Holy crap. That was fast.
Dude, I scared the
Look at
chicken
D.
so bad. I went right by him.
I I gotta go up there, dude. I didn't get to go up there. Holy crap, that's amazing.